As a sawhorse forms the core of your workspace, it's always necessary to have a work stand that's extremely portable and flexible. There are many products available to choose the best sawhorses, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Worx Pegasus Portable Sawhorse. The more ways a tool can be used, the better it is in our book. That's why we love the Worx Pegasus Portable Sawhorse. It's more than just a mere sawhorse, though it is definitely that. It has fold-out supports that transform it from an ordinary sawhorse into a workbench. They'll grab whatever material you're working with, holding on with a firm grip and not letting go. It's like having another pair of hands while working, which we probably don't have to tell you, is incredibly useful. At the bottom of the table are tabs to hold a power strip that can be very useful in certain situations. We just wish that the height of this tool were adjustable to maximize its usability. All in all, we think that this is the best sawhorse of the year. Number 2. Rockwell JawHorse Sawhorse. What if a single tool could replace your sawhorse, workbench, clamps, and even your bench vise? Say hello to the Rockwell JawHorse Portable Material Support Station. So much more than just a sawhorse, this tool will make your work more enjoyable than ever before. A single clamp system spans the full length of the sawhorse, and it can deliver up to 1 ton of clamping force. Spread it out and clamp down a sheet of plywood to turn it into a work table. Or, bring it in tight and use it as a vise to clamp down whatever you're working on. You can be sure it won't go anywhere. There's no question, this is a premium product with a matching price tag. But considering all the great features and functionality the JawHorse provides, we believe it's worth the higher cost. Number 3. ToughBuilt Folding Sawhorse. Combining one of the highest load capacities we've seen with adjustable height legs, the ToughBuilt Folding Sawhorse is built tough to withstand the rigors of life on a job site, just as the name implies. Each of these sawhorses can hold up to 1,300 pounds for a total weight capacity of 2,600 pounds for the pair. Despite the substantial strength of these stout sawhorses, they're surprisingly light, weighing in at a mere 20 pounds each. That makes them easily portable, aided by the collapsible legs that fold into the body, creating a neat and easy-to-carry package. These aren't the cheapest sawhorses, but you get a lot of quality for the money you spend. Still, the ToughBuilt folding sawhorses can't quite match the incredible versatility of our top picks. Number 4. Bora Portamate Speedhurst Sawhorse 2-pack. If you're a worker who's always on the move, you need tools that work like you do, quickly. That's the idea behind the Bora Portamate Speedhurst sawhorses. They're meant to set up quickly and pack up just as fast, allowing you to get started or get out in record time. They succeeded in this endeavor, setting up in just a few seconds thanks to the quick release technology. On the ends of each sawhorse are deep notches that will hold a 2x4 lying vertically, so you can create a job site table out of these sawhorses with a few pieces of wood. It's a nice feature, but not enough to justify the extravagant price tag. Especially when you consider that they're fixed at one height that can't be changed. Number 5. Worx WX065 Clamping Sawhorse Pair. These lightweight plastic sawhorses from Worx are each equipped with a trigger handle bar clamp to hold onto whatever you're working on. Being one of the main selling points of the item, we expected them to be a useful feature. To our dismay, they were quite weak, and the plastic broke easily. One actually bent just from trying to clamp it down all the way. While they may be fine for holding stationary items, we don't recommend using them for more intense work with higher pressure demands, such as for making cuts with a power saw. Despite the obvious drawbacks, this is actually one of the higher-priced sawhorses. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as